Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Yeah. And today we're here with Jahshii, Born Fighter. Pick up myself, Jahshii. People don't mind the steering wheel. We stream a lot of games, Truck Simulator. I'm streaming at the minute, so that's why my steering wheel is there. So don't mind the steering wheel. Yeah, you can't have to take it off and put it on. It's just long. I'm gonna just do this scene. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Anyway, we're gonna react to the G. Pick up myself, Jahshii. Find out what I go on, another one. Yeah. Let's go.
It ain't easy, believe me. Them want you keep it truth as a secret. The people need it, reveal it. We are the future, can't defeat we. If we get a youth life and meaning, emotion I run wild and really. Right now my journey, I'm a feeling. Come on, know brighter days appear when it's time clear.
That is a wicked, it's a bad. I say it in every reaction. Jahshii having place in a dance hall. Jahshii having place in a dance hall, and place in a dance hall is here. Place in a dance hall is now. Place in a dance hall is right where he is. Jahshii, them why you keep it a secret. Them know why you reveal it and talk the truth. People often don't like the truth. Them say the truth sound too like it come out crude. No. Truth are the truth. In no matter how you feel, me not care. Truth are the truth. Big up yourself, Jahshii.
Come on, know brighter days appear when it's time clear. And now you will be the light where you guide me in the dark days. Forgive my past, oh Lord, it make my heart pain. Protect my soul, cause them want put it on sale. Talk to me, them just kill my friend now.
Protect my soul, cause them want put it on sale. So, why am I trying to say so? Them want him sell him soul. Also, them kill him friend. Police kill him friend. So him just utter that a while ago. I can hear what I'm saying.
Take my soul, cause them want put it on sale. Talk to me, them just kill my friend now. What them want to me? Out of bed, no see nobody fi argue with. But man a born fighter, me them can't bully. Papa was in the prayers and song for me. Triumphant, them think me can't do it. Call me na this, but put my heart to it. Pressure, depression, me stay strong. Now give in to frustration. At the cream of the cup of first nation. Try again, now me never cause failure.
Man saying try again, but he never cause failure. He try again, but he never cause failure. So obviously he's been in the music business for a long time. Behind the scenes, where him don't unroll the clash, him never win that. Him still carry on and believe in himself. So pick up yourself. That line when does utter this, that him attack.
Strong, now give in to frustration. At the cream of the cup of first nation. Try again, now me never cause failure. And the more than just the fear we get braver. When I get a hero, we don't decide to be jailer. Come on, know brighter days appear when it's time clear. You will be the light where you guide me in the dark days. Forgive my past, oh Lord, it make my heart pain. Protect my soul, cause them want put it on sale. Bird for fight, you know my band firm. Life experience and no classwork. If you no get the lesson.
Yeah, that life experience and a classwork. So when Matella said the experience we have now, class never teach him that. Class could never teach him that. You see me? Yeah, that.
You know my band firm. Life experience and no classwork. If you no get the lesson, then you can't learn. God give me blessing, me no got church. Band fighter. Are the fittest survive. Yeah, the fittest survive. Band fighter. Strongest soldier get the fight. Strongest soldier get the fight. I know say a pressure bus pipe and a pressure build
pressure bust pipe and a pressure build diamond. Remember, say diamond is a good thing. Diamond is an expensive thing and it's built under pressure. So when I say right this, and now pressure I gonna make him stronger. Pressure build up a man. You see me? Pressure. Under the pressure, good thing I go forward from under the pressure. That's the boss I tell you.
Build First Nation. Jonathan automatic
She ain't creative, big up. Yo, big up Jahshii. Powerful song. Powerful song. RIP to him, Bridge, no him lose. Powerful song. Big up the team. Big up the production team behind this one. Powerful. Jahshii growth a show. Jahshii growth definitely a show. Big up the beat maker. Automatic. Just here mention automatic. Big up Atto. Jahshii, big up yourself, my G. Yeah, do it, my fam. Yeah, do it. And the true core fans them proud and your family proud of you right now, my G. So continue to do your brother. Watch your back, you see me? Watch your head back, my fam. Cause you don't know how the place are run already. And you don't know, say. You see me? Yeah, you know I said too much still. But just watch out, my G. Just watch out, my G. You see me? So protect yourself out there, my G. You see it? So this one I'm gonna do now, guys. If you enjoyed the one here, please leave a like on the one and please subscribe around here if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Alright, outside.